hold the bar. Circle foot. And plie. Flex. Side. And back. Plie. Circle foot again. First patient plie. Flex the back. Straighten your knee, tailbone involved. And plie. Pull the ball aside. And then turn right. Boss leg, turn in. Standing on boss leg, pull the ball front. We hold 2 counts, don't move. Stay there, don't move. Right now, plie. Stretch your back. Again. Slowly up. Face to the bar, tongue to. Plie. 2 front. First. Again. Plie. Hide circle from left side. Two tongue to back. Again. Plie. Shoulder circle, relax. Good. Two tongue to the side. And plie. We turn in, turn out. And then we from left side all over again. Start from foot circle. Left side foot circle. And plie. Flex front. To the side. Keep turn out. Cross back. And plie. Circle foot again. And plie. Flex back. To the side. Tailbone push forwards. Pulling up, pin pin. Don't hold the breath. Come to the side, pull the ball. We turn left side. Turn in, boss leg, heel down. Pull the ball front. Stay 2 counts. Don't move. Right now we plie. Up. Again. Slowly up. And face to the bar. First patient, tongue to front. Again. Hide circle from right side. Slow, relax. Don't let your tailbone stomach relaxed. Hold in stomach. Tailbone stay push forwards. Shoulder reverse, open up, forwards. Again. 2 tongue to side. Turn in, turn out. Tongue to back. Slide down all the way. Let it go. Stretch your shoulder as well. 2 more counts. Right now, up. Plie. Left side. All the way down. Stay.